Happy Friday. Welcome to Bean Breaks. We are here today with three, what do we have?
Hobby.
Three? Just three?
Just three?
Just three hobby boxes of Topps 2020 at MLS. I have not seen any of this, so all of it's new to me. Should be very exciting. Who do we have? I mean, who's joining us? Who's invested?
Nobody.
Nobody's invested. These are personal?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
These are Topps has them for super cheap versus retailers. Let's grab some.
Okay.
So wholesale price boxes.
3 autograph and relic cards per box. Per box. How many packs? I would say. Oh, 24 packs. 8 cards per pack. All right. Let's go. Letting her rip. Does it have the usual reds, oranges, blues?
Red, oranges, blues. The All-Star ones are harder to see because they blended it in super sneakily.
Perfect. And then rip. Nicely. It's thicker. Seems. Am I doing it one pack per time?
Yeah, we just do one at a time. There's not many.
So I'm looking for autos, relics.
Yep.
You guys see that?
Mhm.
And you can do the selfie thingy. Selfie light. What is this? Oh, is this gold?
Mhm.
13 out of 50. Paxton Pomicall. FC Dallas. 13 out of 50.
That's Walworthy. Future U.S. men's national team player.
Okay. Negrini. Is it just one per pack?
There's
Potentially?
one something per pack.
Okay. One something.
Sometimes the two colors are right next to each other, which distribution. Good job.
Does anybody else have this pack opening challenge? Or is it just except there's a blue. No?
No, that's just an insert.
Okay. Duos insert. Doesn't look like there's anything in that.
Well, there was an insert.
Well, an insert, but.
Be thankful with the gifts that you are given.
We have a Gable Polestar insert. Okay. I'll see that one for. Okay. We have a gold. I'm just going to say Frankowski, Chicago Fire gold.
You don't want to try?
No. 32 out of 50 for Frankowski with the Fire. Don't you have any sleeves?
I think they're upstairs.
You came prepared, I see.
I'm feeling kind of lazy. All right, I'll let you open those. I'll be back. I'll go get them.
Oh, just insert also. It is an insert. Cool. Throwback like. Another Ezequiel. We have a purple All-Star. Huh?
Purple?
It looks like it's different from the other All-Star. Or no? I mean, it's not numbered. But I thought the other All-Star was a different color. No?
I think it depends on East and West.
Ah. Okay. I'll accept that. I just put them in there and separate them.
That's fine. They're all staying in the same place.
Another gold in here. Kevin Molino, Minnesota United. Oh, 2?
Yep, see? It's like one right after the other.
Let's see. Kevin Molino is number 2 out of 50.
That one's even better though.
We have a 22 under 22, Gianluca Busio.
That
Sporting
one's
Kansas City,
better.
number 4.
That's full sleeve worthy. There were rumors of him going to Europe last trade season.
Insert the Martinez brothers.
Do, 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 do.
Ooh, that's a nice looking one.
Oh, that's numbered.
Aaron Long, Red Bulls, Superstar. It's number 7 out of 25. So that is this a red?
Orange.
It's an orange. Okay. But the other oranges are 50. What is this?
No, that's gold.
Oh, that's right. Takes very long. I'm sorry.
It's a terrible picture though.
That's all right. Yeah, oh, it's also purple. A BT All-Star. Run team. See the color in here. Huh. So there's a feud between Will Smith and Viv.
Well, the first hand Viv.
Ah, the first one. There's a blue I see. I don't know what color that is. I mean, what number?
The color is blue.
Number. Oh, 2 blues. Back to back again. Interesting. Oh, to 99. So we have a Jarlin here. Still missing. 42 out of 99 for the Darlington Nag with Columbus Nag. And the other blue is also a Columbus card, Luis Diaz. He is numbered 26 of 99.
Can't believe it's been 30 years since the show's been on the air. Oh my god, it makes me so old.
Duels. You guys? And Pizarro. Miami. Number. Oh, Halter. There. No. And our first relic is Kellen Acosta with the Colorado Rapids. Match used memorabilia. It is numbered 126 out of 319. Kellen Acosta, Colorado relic. Joseph Austin. There's at least one orange in there. And we have the first one, my CFC, Maxi Morales. Is number 18 out of 25. Maxi Morales orange. And our next one is Ali Adnan, Vancouver Whitecaps, orange number 15 out of 25.
Still no red.
We just started.
I know, but still no red. At least we don't have to fight for retail to get reds this time. Because those were some fights.
Brad Kuzan auto. Base auto.
So there should be one more relic. It's usually 3 relics or an auto and 2 relics.
Duos Toledo and Russell.
That was my favorite.
Huh?
Will you marry? It's amazing.
We got some blues here.
Multiple blues.
Matt Hedges for FC Dallas. Number is 20 out of 99. Or the blue Matt Hedges, Dallas. And the other one is James Sands, NYCFC. 2220 number is 75 out of 99. Blue James Sands, NYCFC. 3 more packs to go in this box. Rossi All-Star. More pack. Okay, last pack. And box number 1. Here's our other relic. CJ Sapong, Chicago Fire.
Fire!
It's number 217 out of 319. CJ Sapong, Chicago Fire relic.
There you go. I kind of feel like we should
That's
be watching
it for
this. If we're
number
doing
1.
this. Okay, here's number 2.
Here's number 2.
So while Nancy was opening number 1, I was opening number 2, so you didn't have to watch her go through it again.
Yeah. Speeds things up. Okay. Starting box number 2. See some color in here. First up is an insert. Never mind.
Told you.
Here is a blue. Shamit Shown. Montreal Impact. Number 83 out of 99. Shamit Shown. Montreal.
Sounds Israeli.
Here's a relic. Top of this stack. Gustavo Bo. New England Revolution. Number is 242 out of 319. Gustavo Bo Revolution relic. Another blue. Tommy Thompson, San Jose Earthquakes. Number is 42 out of 99.
Mm-hmm.
Blue. Gold. Jesus Ferreira, FC Dallas. 2222. Number is 36 out of 50. Ferreira, FC Dallas, gold.
While she was telling you about that gold, Montreal just scored to tie up the game.
Our auto is Julian Gressel with DC United.
Have you heard of him before?
I have.
Yeah. Have to go through that and pull out the short prints in a second.
The blue here, 2222.
That's a good one too.
Sam Vines, Colorado Rapids. Number 38 out of 99 for the blue Sam Vines, Colorado Rapids. Relic belongs to Jesse Gonzalez, FC Dallas.
The guy who beats his wife.
Did he get fired?
I thought so. Apparently he was rehired.
Oh. 43 out of 319. Jesse Gonzalez, Dallas Relic.
I mean, it's not a. I mean, the jersey is not bad.
Yeah. It's better than plain white.
Yeah. Really?
Some
Goalie jerseys
design.
have something on it, yeah.
Number blue, Atlanta United. Team. Number 11 out of 99. Blue Atlanta. Okay, let's see. Another blue, Francisco Calvo, Chicago Fire. 50 out of 99. Blue Francisco Calvo, Chicago Fire. Orange, Bin Hamid, DC United. Number is 19 out of 25. Orange, Bin Hamid, DC.
Again, the winner against either Philadelphia or Toronto Tuesday night. It depends on what happens in the National Miami game. Higher rated seed or lower rated seed, where those teams would go.
All right, final box.
I like how Joseph was given a card and he played one game.
Our relic is San Jose Earthquakes. It's number 299 out of 319. Wondolowski, San Jose Earthquakes. It's black, right?
Yeah. I mean, like, just regular black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a blue.
Say that.
Krishbilko. Philadelphia Union.
Matt will have to tell you if that's the proper way to
Number
pronounce it.
is 65 out of 99. I'm going to go with Krishbilko. Next blue is an FC Dallas team card, and I think I saw a red in there. You were looking for a red.
I was looking for any red at this
I think
point.
there's a red in here.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
I would be happy with
16
that.
out of 99 is a blue FC Dallas.
I'd be thrilled if it was a
There's a
Aronson red.
See, look.
Yeah, an Aronson red.
I don't know what it is.
I'll take it. I mean, I'm, fingers crossed.
Here it comes. Ready?
Ready.
It's a Nagby.
It's a Nagby. That's not bad either.
Yeah.
We miss him.
Number 1 out of 10. Red Darlington Nagby.
It would have looked better, a red card in his Atlanta United uniform. Just saying. That's all that matters. He gets to block Aaron Long.
Here's another orange coming up. Toronto Pozuelo. Number 7. On the orange Pozuelo. Our relic is Calvo.
It's a gold relic.
Is it gold? That's gold?
I think so.
Chicago Fire. 36 out of 50 on the Calvo relic.
It's sad that that's the best they could come up with for a 50.
Yeah. There's a blue, Jesse Gonzalez, FC Dallas. Number 36 out of 99. For the blue, Jesse Gonzalez, FC Dallas. And this is a gold Colorado Rapids team card. Let's see. Number is 29 out of 50 on the gold Colorado Rapids. Oh, There's a red.
Ooh, another one. I like
Yeah.
reds. They make me happy.
There's a looks like a gold, a red, and a blue.
I'll take it.
Handful.
I will take that handful.
Hey, how come that Wando's different?
It's probably a short print. I haven't gone through.
Oh,
I don't know what all the short prints look like yet. I have to go through all the base and figure that out.
the gold is a Franco Escobar.
That's a good gold.
Hold on, I have to do this because the red is next, I think.
Okay. So hide it.
I hide it. So the Franco is numbered 43 out of 50. Gold. Atlanta United. Okay. And the red should be next here. Splata! Matt Beasler. Sporting Kansas City. Number is 6 out of 10. Red, Matt Beasler, Sporting Kansas City.
So 2 reds in 1 box.
Yeah.
Nothing in the other 2 boxes.
There's a blue, 2222, Brian Rodriguez, LAFC.
Man, I just bought that card.
Oh, well. 28 out of 99. Blue, Brian Rodriguez, LAFC.
Sorry.
Last handful.
I like how they make fun of Thierry Henry.
Relic. Bill Hamid, DC United.
Another one of those cool goalie prints.
Number 229 out of 319. They all seem to be numbered 319.
Yeah, all the base are to 319, I think.
Interesting number.
It's how many
Bill
pieces
Hamid.
can we get out of these jerseys?
Relic. And that's it. Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Put that on the board. Put that on the board. All right, so here are the blues.
What about the gold?
Well, here are the blues.
Okay, recap time. We're starting with the blues. Brian Rodriguez, 22, under 22. Jesse Gonzalez, FC Dallas team. Brzbilko, Philadelphia, Atlanta United team. Francisco Calvo, Chicago Fire. Sam Vines, Colorado Rapids. Tommy Thompson, San Jose Earthquakes. Shami Shom, Montreal Impact. James Sands, NYCFC. Matt Hedges, FC Dallas. Luis Diaz, Columbus Crew. And Darlington Nagby, Columbus Crew. Check the blues. Pay attention. Shoot that!
Oh my God! How do you miss that? I just heard Tim Cook screaming from across the nation.
Next,
No.
we're doing the golds. Next, we have Escobar, Atlanta United, Colorado Rapids, Jesus Ferreira, Dallas, Kevin Molino, Minnesota, Gronkowski, Chicago Fire, Comical, Dallas, Bucio, Sporting.
That card is cut weird. Doesn't that look like it's? It just doesn't have a border here. So you see how that border, it cut off the border with people? It looks miscut.
Yeah.
So
What's next?
Orange.
Okay. Orange. Bill Hamid, DC United. Ali Adnan, Vancouver. Pozuelo, Toronto. Maxi Morales, NYCFC.
Those relics.
Relics. We have Francisco Calvo, Chicago. Wondolowski, Earthquakes. Bill Hamid, DC United. Jesse Gonzalez, FC Dallas. Gustavo Bo, New England Revolution. CJ Sapong, Chicago. And Kellen Acosta, Colorado Rapids. Autos. Gressel, DC United. Guzan, Atlanta United.
That's not bad. So we got the boxes with the autos and 2 relics.
Reds.
We got 2 of those.
Oh wait, this guy.
That's a Aaron Long superstar.
Aaron Long superstar. And our reds. We got 2 reds out of 3 boxes.
I mean, he's technically a red. He's a Red Bull. See what I did there?
Matt Beasler, Sporting Kansas City. Did y'all see that? Did I show that?
Yeah. And there's just a weird light when you do straight on. See, no, when you tilt it a little bit. Yeah, right there. It's better.
Darlington Nagby, Columbus Crew, red.
There it goes.
That's it. Later.